Let's talk about judgments. That is one of the biggest blockages to manifestation, and I'll tell you why. In this video, we will talk about judgments, labels, and the 3D perspective, and we will work on reframing them. Hello, my love. Welcome to your creative transformation. My name is Asla, and I'm helping you align with your desired reality. So, judgments. What I found was that we judge everything, literally everything. This is too less, this is too much, this is not enough, it's beautiful, this is ugly, that money is big, that money is small. Yeah, so on and so forth. And the problem with this is the fact that we overlook the fact that everything is an energy. The money you get today is the same energy that you want to have as your desired reality. So if you want $1 million, it's the same energy as $5. And looking at a $5 bill and saying that it's too small, like it's not enough, and not being appreciative, not feeling that gratitude towards that abundance, which is actually the same abundant energy, is the blockage. So we have this curtain, it's a judgment filter, and we look at the things that we have, already have, the things that flow into our lives, the abundance, the love, joy, peace that is flowing into our lives every day, every second, but we judge them. So we're not grateful, we don't see the abundance, we don't see the energy flowing in motion. And so when we judge that abundance, that energy, we are resisting to it, we are blocking it. Since it's the same energy that we desire, that we want to have as our desired reality, whatever it may be, we show the universe that we don't see and appreciate it, that energy that we want. If you give someone a present, a gift, and you expect a thank you, right? A recognition, and that person acts as if it's nothing, it's too tiny, it's not even something that she can be thankful of, how would you feel? Would you like to spoil her with more gifts, with more abundance, love? You wouldn't, because she doesn't appreciate its nature. So it's nature in the sense that it's an energy. That person is judging it based on the cover. And that cover is an illusion. It's the 3D perspective. When we want a desire, let's take that $5 and $1 million example again. There's this $5 bill, and then there's $1 million in your bank account. In essence, it's the same energy. You already have it. What you perceive as a difference, the amount, is only an illusion. That money energy, the essence, the same essence, is not big or small. It's the same energy. It doesn't have a size. Size is only a matter of 3D perception. Judging it on a 3D level is blocking you from appreciating what you already have. You already have enough. You already have what you desire. Doesn't have to seem like $1 million. No. You already have what you desire. You desire abundance. You desire freedom, financial freedom. You desire love. And you see that love from people, but you don't appreciate it because for you, that treatment is not enough. This whole game is a matter of perception on a first level, because perception, as we live in the 3D reality, perception is what matters to us. We want to see it, we want to perceive it, we want to align with the frequency of love, frequency of abundance, money. You need to tap into that frequency yourself. You need to feel like you have it, already have it, right? And living in the visual field, feeling as if you already have it, comes from that gratitude, that appreciation, and feeling that, yeah, I have it, and I have enough. I have more than enough. Being able to say that is as simple as changing your lenses, aka your perception. If you have a scarcity-based perception or lack mentality, if you see only what's not here yet, what's not manifesting, what you don't have, quote unquote, what you don't have in the 3D, you're going to attract more of it, more lack. Because that's the frequency that you recognize, that you react to. And so when you shift that perception into an abundance-based and a creative, a powerful mindset, you start appreciating the tiny small things, which are essentially what you ask for. It's already there. And that appreciation fills you with gratitude, with the frequency of abundance. You already have it. It's as simple as that. You just need to see it, right? When we see that, yes, this is what I want, and I love it, and I appreciate it, and I know I deserve more of it, not big or small, I deserve more of it. You get what you want because you are a type of person that can appreciate the beauty, the abundance, love. So the universe knows that you deserve it, that you are that type of person who can see it, who can get it, who gets it, and who can maintain it because you know how to appreciate the small steps. Now you have that mindset that it's not about the result. It's not about $1 million. It's about the tiny steps in between that take you to that end goal. It's about these little steps. And so you prove to the universe that you are the type of person who appreciates the process, who gets wiser, who is being fulfilled with the process of becoming that person or having that desired reality. And there is another angle to this. When we judge certain energies based on the perception, the mindset, the subconscious beliefs that we have, we carry forward to this day, we judge it based on a past story. Yeah, because it's coming from our past experiences or what we learned, what we've been taught and programmed with. We judge this energy based on that perception. But if you look at the law of polarity, if you're asking for love, what you perceive as hate is the same energy, but on a different level at the same spectrum. So if you want abundance, what you perceive as lack is actually the same energy on a different scale, a different level of the spectrum. You are an alchemist. What we do here is not manifesting something, but it's alchemy. We are toying with these energies. So think about this. There is love and there is hate. If you see hate, you can transform it into love. If you see lack, you can transform it into abundance. It's the same energy, just on different levels of the same spectrum. Think of yourself as an alchemist, and your task is to transform your low vibrational emotions or your low vibrational thoughts and beliefs into high vibrational ones, into more abundant, creative, worthy, into more powerful ones that are gonna serve your desired reality. That's all what we do here. It's really that simple. So think of yourself as an alchemist and just don't judge the energy. You don't need to judge it. This is not a static matter. It's very much dynamic. So you don't need to have that clear, specific, static perspective or perception on the thing or regarding what it is, how much it is, how big it is. Instead, you can see it as water. Easily transform it into ice or steam. You can give it a different shape. You can use it to your advantage if you want to. So having that kind of mindset, that flowing, frequency-based 5D perspective is going to help you so much to receive what you want and appreciate it and multiply it, expand it, increase it. You need that basis, that foundation to build upon it. Without having a $5, you can't have $1 million. Without having this first text from your SP, you can't have a loving relationship. This is the basis, the foundation. So think of it as you're building your desired reality step by step, one by one, piece by piece. And every piece counts. Every piece is so precious and as same as the other, as same as the whole. So I'm going to give you a very precious gift, a trick. After I've cultivated this mindset, I've started acting the same way and feeling the same way to every little thing I get from universe as if I got my end result. So if I want $1 million and I get $5 today, I get so happy and grateful and joyful that day as if I got $1 million. I showed the same appreciation. I showed the same gratefulness because it was the same energy. Why wouldn't I? And it worked so fast. So I suggest you go and try this and let me know what magic it creates for you. And now there is no big or small for you. Energy is the same energy. Abundance is the same abundance. Love is the same as a text message and a passionate kiss. It's the same essence. So what I want to say is that judgments and these labels that we put on things are misleading us, shadowing our perception, shadowing our visions. So instead of labeling what you have, labeling the desires, labeling the energy, how would it feel to know that it is the same energy? And if you have $5 today, you also have $1 million. Because what makes $1 million is the mindset, is being the type of person who can have it and sustain it and can be grateful for it. And it's your frequency that attracted $5. If your frequency can attract $5 or a text message from your SP, the same frequency with more power, with intensity, can attract $1 million, a passionate love, a relationship, and many more. It's the same frequency that you align with. There is no big or small. There is no large or tiny. It's the same energy, same frequency. If you leave those judgments behind and try to see everything as a frequency, as an energy. I know it is sometimes difficult to have that perception in the 3D because as humans, we are so accustomed to see things from the 3D perspective and our brains are wired for that. But with conscious efforts and awareness, conscious awareness, you can sustain that 5D perspective throughout the day. As the time goes, your brain will be wired to think from that perspective, to think in terms of energy and frequency and vibration. And you will see there is no hardships in attracting $1 million or a loving relationship compared to having $5 and a text message. It's the same energy, it's the same process. So I hope this video has helped you. Thank you so much for watching this video. You know where to find me if you want to work one-on-one to align with your desired reality, to align yourself video desired version, don't forget to check out my links below. I love helping you reach your goals. It's a big passion for me. Catch you in the next one. Bye.